Well, good morning, everyone. It's your roving reporter, Jewel Arden again. Today, and for the next few days, I want to talk about the aeroplane, or aka airplane, in World War I. World War I was the first major conflict involving the large-scale use of aircraft. Tethered observation balloons had already been employed in several wars and would be used extensively for artillery spotting. Germany employed zeppelins for reconnaissance over the North Sea and Baltic, and also for strategic bombing raids over Britain and the Eastern Front. Aeroplanes were just coming into military use at the onset of the war. Initially, they were used mostly for reconnaissance. Pilots and engineers learned from experience, leading to the development of many specialized types, including fighters, bombers, and trench strafers. Now, we'll get into all that later. In 1911, at the meeting of the Institute of International Law in Madrid, legislation was proposed to limit the use of airplanes to reconnaissance missions and banning them from being used as platforms for weapons. The legislation was rooted in a fear that airplanes would be used to attack undefended cities, which would violate Article 69 in the set of international laws governing warfare. At the start of the war, there was some debate over the usefulness of aircraft in warfare. Many senior officers in particular remained very skeptical. However, the initial campaigns of 1914 proved that cavalry could no longer provide the reconnaissance expected by their generals in the face of the greatly increased firepower of 20th century armies. So hold tight. We're going to talk about the aeroplane this week. You all have a great Tuesday. Thanks for tuning in. See you tomorrow. Jewel Arden out.